I'm Dr. Srija, Senior Resident Doctor at AIIMS Mangalgiri. As you all know, unfortunately there was an incident which occurred 1 week ago. An on-duty female doctor was murdered, brutally murdered, and sexual assault was also indicated from the post-mortem injuries. And in condemnation of that incident, when the duty doctors were protesting in the last 1 week, on the eve of the Independence Day, the protesting doctors, they faced mob attacks and also police attacks in the form of demolishing the property of the hospital and demolishing the evidence where the crime occurred. So in condemnation of this attack, brutal attack, we are protesting here, and this protest is not only limited to our state, it's or our college. It is widespread, and all the nationwide hospitals are involved, all the resident doctors association are involved, all the undergraduate medical students are also involved. We are also having the support of the nursing associations across the country. So this is not the crime only against the doctors, it is the crime against women, it's the crime against humanity. So we request all the general public to please support us in our demands, and we want the justice soon as possible.
What do you demand from the government?
We have 3 demands so far. As the case was handed towards the CBI, we request them to conduct a transparent investigation and catch the culprits as soon as possible. And the victim's family should also receive the adequate compensation. I know the death of the doctor cannot compensate with any amount of money, but they should be supported in whichever way possible. And along with that, we request the Central Protection Act for all the healthcare workers who are working in the hospitals, not only doctors but also the nursing staff and other supporting staff, and also the medical institution as such. So who are visiting the hospital should receive protection, not only the healthcare professionals but also the patients and their attendants who are visiting the hospitals. And we want this bill to be tabled as soon as possible in the Parliament, as through an ordinance or in the next winter session. We want the central government to act on this soon.